standing today in the sculpture garden in the beautiful daylight through the skylight, actually above us in the first floor of Nationalmuseum in Stockholm. For us, the museum itself, the building, is an old building. Also being in Sweden, with a huge discrepancy in the climate between summer and winter. In the entrance, it can be as low as 18% in the winter humidity and go as high as 70%. Therefore, it's also very important for us to have these new technologies for this very building and our collection here. Today, we're gonna place new sensors in the whole museum in order to record data and to record any kind of fluctuations in the climate. The relative humidity, the temperature, and also the lux levels. What is really helping us with BEVAR, solution and extraction of reports, first of all, is very easy to do, saving time and resource to hand over the data to future teams.
Measuring indoor climates has everything to do with protecting the collections. So the museums have obviously a responsibility for both preserving the collections but also displaying them.
The compromise between exposure and making objects visible and accessible, this balance is actually incredibly supported by technologies and devices.
So they can present their collections, their objects to the public while being certain that everything is okay.
When you think that a treatment we do should last at least for 50 years, it sets a reference, especially compared to today and the pace of today's world. We want to reduce our action, we want to reduce our mark. To know exactly where we stand in terms of cumulative lux and in terms of stress and fluctuations for climate, this is really a huge support for us.